how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. So for this purpose we have to do few things. So we have to go to the older version of WhatsApp to our previous phone. Go to your WhatsApp messenger here inside. Well, inside everything is fine. Here at the corner you can see a setting button. Click to the setting button. In setting you have many options. Here we have to come to this option. You can see here chats. Go inside to chat. In chat here you will see chat backup. Click this one. You see backup now. Hit this button. 161.9 megabytes of backup I have. You could have more backup, gigabyte, doesn't matter. To backup you have to have connected to your Apple account because all the things will go there. You have to backup always in your Apple account, okay? And the same time the newer version of iPhone where you want to move all this chat should be connected with the same Apple account. If you connect with another Apple account you will not see this chat, you will not see the same WhatsApp in this case. So it's backing up, we have to wait. You see backing up here, we have to wait a little bit more. So backup is done. One more thing, it should be connected with Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi would be faster than cellular network. So backup is done. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.